Hey everybody, today we're going to review a BGtrend bag that's for traveling and organizing your electronics. And this is specifically made for your external hard drives and anything to kind of organize your wires. I got another bag similar to this and I wanted another one because the quality of the other one was really good and I wanted to see how to utilize another bag. So this is the one I bought as well. I got off of Amazon for a good price. And let's open it up. Like my other BGtrend bag, they came with the wire organizer, so it's two of them, so that's cool too. Right off the back, the BGtrend bags are really similar in general, so all the bags have similar markings like this. This bag is a clamshell kind of bag, so opens wide open, so you can lay it flat and open it wide. Let's open it up now and see what's inside. There you go. Right off you see that there is two sides, of course. This is an area for your ID, I'm assuming, because it came with a fake ID. In this area, you put your wire through here. And you cannot get into here unless you unzip this and bring it out. This side has straps, so you can put your wire or anything external in here that hangs around. There's a Velcro piece here that opens up to a pocket, which is super nice. I like this. I like this bag better than the other one so far. This bag has a vent here, so you can have some loose items like an external battery and then have a wire coming out, or in, depending on how you do it. On this side, you have a pocket. And inside the pocket is laced with light foam, so you can feel that. This is SS card and UDIS, so I'm assuming this is made for a USB drive and kind of like a SD card kit, so you can place it in here too. So it's a small pouch here. So on top there's a small pouch area. It's loose, so it comes in and out. So maybe anything that's big and bulky should go in here. Other than that, that's all the compartments of this clamshell bag from BGtrend. Definitely organized. I like how it's laid out. I like this bag, and it's small and it's compact, not small. Big enough to carry a lot of things. Definitely gonna use this bag. Let's talk about the design and durability of the bag and materials. The materials are really solid. I like how it's built. It's like canvas nylon. And it's laced with foam, so you can feel it throughout the whole entire bag. On the edges of this bag, there's no foam or protectors or whatnot. There's it's a small gap, so I expect that already. Foam on this side, inside as well, and there's a handle here as well. So to measure this bag and see the dimensions of the bag, let's look at it with the ruler. So the height of this is just about 7 inches. 7 inches. The length of this is about 10 inches. And the depth, this is about 2 3, almost just under 2 inches. 1 3/4 inches. But it can expand depending on the content of your bag. Definitely a good looking bag. It's plain black, but has styling cues that kind of make this different. The BGtrend logo is here, little buckle thing here as well. Overall, the design and build and durability of this bag is really thought out. I like how everything's laid out and it's easy to kind of manage. Definitely a good bag. Definitely recommend it. I wish there's a little bit more zippers on some areas, but overall, it's a good bag. Definitely recommend it. Hope you like this review, and thank you for watching.